Hello everyone. The next step on the menu is the IDRONECT OS map. The map is a great place to do some research and a lot more. You can find the map right here in the menu bar. The map comes with a few controls, so let's start at the top. The first button is in the top right corner, is to switch between satellite view and regular map view. The satellite view can be very handy when drawing zones and identifying risks. The next button is to switch the map into a 3D view. What this basically does is turn the map into an angle. The next button is a button to toggle the layers that are shown on the map. Sometimes there can be a lot of zones on the map and it can be very unclear of what you're looking at. That is when this tool comes in handy. As you can see, I can toggle here to show the CTR zones, TRAs, TSAs, and much more. The next two buttons are to zoom in and out on the map. You can also do this just by scrolling with your mouse wheel. The last button is to go to the location you are right now. For this feature to work, it is important that you allow IDRONECT to use your location. In the middle of the screen, you have a search bar you can use to search for a location. This search bar supports full written addresses and also all possible notations of coordinates. With the gear icon on the right side, you can switch between search worldwide and search for the country that you are zoomed in on. You can also see that when I type in an address, the map gives me some suggestions and then zooms into the place I've clicked on. When filling in the coordinates, you go to the coordinate without location suggestions. A cool thing the IDRONECT OS map can do is import and load location-based files. For example, here are the airspaces of South Africa in the KMZ file. If you open up your file manager, you can just drag and drop this file on the map and the IDRONECT OS system will load it on the map just like that. The map can of course do a lot more. When clicking in a zone, the information for this coordinate pops up. You get the address for where you clicked, the exact coordinates, and the airspaces that are active in this place. You also have the tab Weather, where you can see the weather information for this exact coordinate, not for the city, not for the region, but for this exact specific coordinate that you clicked. You get the date and you can scroll between different dates just by using the arrow keys in the left and right corner. You get the sunrise and sunset, and for every hour you get the average wind gusts, the temperature, the cloud percentage, the rain percentage, and the KP index. The last step is to see which NOTAMs are active on this coordinate, with all the related information of course. At the top you have some filters that make it easier to navigate through these NOTAMs. That was it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.